Hey guys, it's Marks from Ripjaws. How are you today? Today we picked up a MSI GTX 1060 6GB. I traded a 1080 EVGA 1080 for it with a coworker. I picked up the 2080 earlier today, and so I figured what better home than a coworker's who loves gaming on the PC as well. And in return, I said basically just trade me the 1060 6GB you have in your gaming rig right now. What we have in front of us is the ThinkCentre 2. This has an i5-2400, 12 gigs of DDR3 RAM, and it also has a Gigabyte 750 Ti 4GB version. So what we're going to do is go ahead and replace it with the 1060 6GB and see how it holds up to gaming. Go ahead and take it out. First thing we'll do is unplug the power source. We'll go ahead and unscrew the bracket. There's only one screw holding this graphics card, but we may need more than one for the new one. I use a magnetic screwdriver, of course, that way I don't lose any screws in case they pop out. Take that lever, push up to allow that lock to come out. Go ahead and take that, and there it is. You're gonna go ahead and put this on the side really quick, which I should have probably did in the first place. We're gonna take our new card and put it in. Hopefully. It's gonna fit right in there. Just be careful. Make sure it's flush. It's in there. The most important part is ensuring that it's screwed in. So we're going to go ahead and screw that bottom screw in, then we're going to add another screw to reinforce it. One thing you never want to do is lose a screw. So let me go ahead and get my screw box, throw the screws in there really quick, and then I'll find that other one because you definitely don't want it with your components. Let's go ahead and grab a couple of big screws. Stick with the black. Are we going to have an issue with this? This is turning out to be a little bit harder than I thought to screw in there because the bracket is just no room. There we go. Get that second screw in there and ensure that it's sits there, and then we'll get that other one out. The moment of truth is to get that other screw out, of course, and make sure that it works. Go ahead and pause it. Alright, we went ahead and got that screw out, of course, and we're gonna fire up. Just a moment of truth. Up. Let's see if we can get a signal. We got a signal. Sweet. So the next step we're going to do is go ahead and uninstall the driver that was in there by using a program called DDU uninstaller, display driver uninstaller, and we're going to go ahead and put GeForce Experience back on and update the drivers on that, and then we'll do some benchmarking. We'll see you then.
Peace.